Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day. In this video I'm going to show you how to get results like this using a concept named affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you exactly how you can go to step-by-step setting up a business into many different niches using affiliate marketing. I was able to use that and help my wife get plenty of results in different businesses. So I'm going to jump into the computer, show you exactly step-by-step how you can do this. Definitely stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can make even more money with more strategies that we've been testing in the last year, and that's been working. Everything I'm showing you stuff that we are testing, we've been tested, that's working right now. If it's your first time on my channel, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know if it's your first time. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as I drop even more content for you so you can stay updated. Let's jump into the computer. Alright, so strategy session. I'm going to show you inside of there how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing using this process. Now, I've used the same strategy to sell over $36,000 this month in an affiliate commission, just selling straight product. You know, the thing that you gotta keep in mind is that people are buying. When you're doing the strategy, know that people are buying. They are buying anyway on the internet. The focus now is let's make them suggestively buy through you and you get paid for it. If we can do that, because we know people are buying on the internet, if you can get them to suggestively buy through you, you will always make money, which is what I'm gonna show you how to do. First step in this whole strategy, you gotta do your research. What I mean by do your research, you gotta pick a niche, something that you're familiar with. You know, it could be a hobby, it could be an interest, something that solves a problem. Like for my wife, she loves doing DIY, so we jump into that hobby. But something that you know a lot of people love. There's a lot of people there. You know, even if it's not something that's of interest to you, but if there's a lot of people there, there's a lot of eyeballs, there's money to be made. Here's some examples. Let's do it in diet, okay? I'm gonna jump into the computer. We're gonna go through the process, do the research real quick, but then I'm gonna set it up so you can see step by step how to do it. Okay, so diet would be a niche. There's a bunch of different niche. Diet would be a big niche, but we can break diet into what types of diet. Is it keto? Is it vegan diet? Is it raw food? Is it paleo diet? See, once you break that down, you know exactly where those people are, what you're looking for, then you just do a Facebook search. It becomes really easy. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm gonna go to Facebook. We're gonna look for, let's just do keto diet. Okay, keto is a really powerful one. So let's just do keto diet. So we're gonna go to Facebook real quick. I'm gonna look for pages that's in keto diet. Okay, what I want to do is join those groups that's in keto because they have 275,000 members. This one has 275,000 members. So I'm gonna go ahead and join these groups, right? So I'm gonna join them. Sometimes they ask you some questions or whatever. You just submit, you join this group. But my focus now, the way we're gonna start this, in order for us to get traction, we need to build a page. Okay, where we're gonna be able to find people so that we can sell them every single day. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the pages so I can see the pages that's already there. So I'm gonna go on Facebook, see the pages. I'm gonna click on this one, see how many people follow this page. This one got 250,000 people. Now again, it's not hard to build those pages. You can build those pages yourself because the ultimate goal, guys, is to get people to buy from us every single day. Once we have the page up, then we can start posting different things on the page that we know they're gonna like. Like for example, with this page, you can see they post different things on this page every day. Like this little video, I can just grab it. This picture, I can just grab it, share on my page, and then become an affiliate in the back end in order for me to create cash flow. Okay, so once you have that, you're gonna be able to do daily content. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a page. If you go to your Facebook real quick, let's do create a page for keto. Create a page, just create up there. We're gonna do brand community. Let's go keto fans. Okay, keto fans for life. We're gonna create this page right now. So category of this page, we can say diet. If it comes up, nope. We can put food. Kitchen. All right, kitchen and cooking. Okay, boom. So we're gonna call this page Keto Fans for Life. So I choose the keto niche, but you could do that for almost any niche. The first stage is to create a page in a group. Now, if I go on the page earlier, you will see that they had groups and stuff. So update profiles. I'm just gonna put the same picture that we have. Really easy to create a Facebook fan page. That's the first step that we're doing it, because we're gonna create the page so that we can get traction. So I'm quickly upload a cover picture. If I want to create a cover, you can go to a website named PicMonkey, or you can get one done on Fiverr real quick. But you can go to PicMonkey real quick and just quickly do a cover. Let me just do a keto diet Facebook All right, so there's a bunch of them here. See, I can already find one here. I could literally take this one and then just change it around a little, or just add my logo on it or anything. All right, so now we already have a page set up. As you can see, boom, 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 boom. I add that, I had a picture, and in the future I can put keto and stuff like that. Okay, so now my goal is gonna be getting likes for my page. Okay, getting likes for my page. I can set up a Facebook ads for like $5 and just get ads, get people to come to the page. But what I'm gonna do now is just go to those other Facebook pages. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna keep this one open. We're gonna go to Facebook. We just need to get a few pictures so we can populate on the page. Once you have a few pictures on the page, we can populate it so that the page doesn't look blank and empty. You go to posts on any other pages that you go to, and you'll see a bunch of posts that they have. Usually I suggest get the posts that are viral already. Okay, so for example, with this page here, they give you a bunch of recipe. You get this. This is really cool. Like, I can really share the same recipe with people on my page when they come through. So remember, your page is in the beginning. You can just copy this real quick, and if you want to grab the picture, you can either do, if you're using Mac, it's gonna be Shift Command 4, where you're gonna have the picture thing on your that comes up. There you go. I can just grab this picture real quick here. All right, or you can just press and save image, and it'll save the image on your computer. All right, then you can just go back to yours now, and you can just copy and paste this, and now you have a picture, you have a photo. And remember, those are the start photo that you can actually start using just as you start building people on the page, so that you can have people that comes in every single day. The reason I love doing it this way, we're using social media versus blogging, where you're waiting for the search engine, is that with blogging, you have to be found, and that takes a while to build. You know, people have to be searching for you all the time in order for you to get any traction or get any traffic. With the page now, once you have a page that has 5,000, 10,000 people, guess what? Whenever you post anything on there, you start getting traffic. See, now I can like it. Now this page, this content that's already here. I can do that for a few more and then get more people to the page. Next thing that I want to do would be joining those Facebook groups now that has the people, and I know exactly where they're hanging. So I'm going to go to the groups now and join those Facebook groups. For example, this one has 250 posts per day. This one has 20 posts per day, 60 posts per day. So I know they're very active, 140 posts per day. Those pages are very active. So I want to join into those pages and then invite people to come and like my page. Now, once I have people like my page, for example, if I click on this page here, you will see they also have a group. So I can link my group to my page. Just look for the page here. You can see they have a group and a page. But if you look on the community tab on the page, they usually would show you the groups. So you can see I can join the group. Now I can click and join the group. Now once the difference between the page and the group is that on the page you can run Facebook ads. So I'm gonna go on the page, run just one simple ad just to get likes. There will be a like campaign just to get like on the page. All right, so when you're running an ad real quick, I can go to create campaign. The ultimate goal in the beginning is to just get likes, engagement, just so we can get people to like our page. So we're gonna do a page like campaign, nothing crazy, just $5 a day. $5 a day, so that we can get people to come and like our page. So we're gonna call it Keto Fans. Okay, Keto Fans likes. So now, because I want to gather the people, because remember, once I have those people, now I can do affiliate marketing and sell them products every day. That's what I do with all my other stuff, all my other brands that I'm building. So I'm gonna click on next, and then that's it. It's gonna ask me how much money that I want to spend every single day. We're just gonna do, you can even do $1 per day, guys. Nothing crazy. You can do $2 per day just to get you started and get you some traction. And I'm gonna tell Facebook where I want those people to leave in the United States, preferably. I can start all over the world. I can do English speaking countries. I can say the age. If I'm gonna build this for females only, then I can target females, but I'm not gonna go into the gender and stuff like that. But you can change all the demographic if you want to. So here I'm just gonna say keto. Usually Facebook come up with great suggestions for you. So as you can see, there's keto, ketosis, ketone body, keto diet. Let's just do keto diet. That should come up. You have weight loss interest, diet app that has 800,000 people. And once you do that, you just ask Facebook for some rest. You can see there's different diet. So if I wanted to go that specific niche, you know, Paleolithic diet, look at that. Paleo diet, this thing has 17 million interests. I'm thinking even building a brand just for that. So I can just choose the specific diet that I'm doing right now, and then boom, we're gonna go ahead and run an ad, $5 a day. Next, I can just choose one of the pictures that's on the page. So let's just come here. So if I wanted to run an ad with this, and I would say something about love keto diet. So I just come here and say something about, you know, usually I put a question mark, because whenever you put a question mark, it's just, if I said 1 + 1, you know, it's the answer is 2, right? Your mind just thought about 2. Question marks usually trigger the mind. So love keto diet, you ask them a question, then you tell them to like you, then like your page, boom, and then that's it. That's it, guys. Then you click on publish, then your ads is out there, and then what's gonna happen once the ad is out there, now you're gonna start getting traction on the page. Let me show you, for example, here on one of our page here. Okay, for example, we built that in my wife niche. This is her page. She's into the DIY. So we have this page here, as you can see. Every day we can come here now and just post different posts. You can see it shows us how many people is reaching. That this post reached 1,200 people, 36 like, and then boom, there you go. This is boom. This is an affiliate program that we're selling this thing here, and you can see it reached 2,000 people, 23 people like it, 5 people share it. The cool part about when people start sharing that is that they share that link also. So if you go to their page, you click on show attachment, is that they also share your link. So now their friends can buy that stuff, and that's how you can start making money, okay? Now, once you get to that stage, now you gotta post on it daily, which is why we use those other pages, main pages, and we find content and we post on there to keep the people engaged. And once they are engaged, now you can sell them things that they want, okay? Because now you're gonna know exactly what they're gonna want. So now the next thing that we want to talk about is affiliate program, because once we have the traffic, we have the page going, we have the group going, alternatively to it, now we need traffic. The best thing you could do is just to go on Google and search for affiliate program for your niche. Like if you're into the keto niche, you'll search affiliate program for keto, and that's gonna show you all the affiliate program for keto. So if I go to Google and search affiliate program for keto, and you're gonna see there's a bunch of articles, different places, 10 best keto affiliate program. Then I can find many, and whatever your niche is. And that's how my wife was DIY. That's how I find different affiliate program. You can see there's affiliate program. Some of them will give you 10% commission. Some of them 50% commissions. You could see this affiliate program, how much they're selling, $7 per the EPC, the earning commissions is $15, EPC 162. That means that's earning per click. This is really high. So if you can get people to buy this from you, you can make a lot of money. You know, there's so many different ones. That's another affiliate program, Real Keto. I can come here and look to see this one is paying 25% commissions, meaning if I sell up their product for $100, I'm making $25. So I can go and apply for this affiliate program. Then I can start making money by having access to those, right? I can start making money by having access to those. The next place that I was sharing you is Share Sale. That's another affiliate program that I use. Amazon is another one. Etsy, eFavorite specifically for me, and I'm in DIY, and so many more. Your niche will be different. So for example, with Amazon, once you own the traffic now, you are able to make decisions that before that you would not be able to make. For example, with the Amazon affiliate program, when we started promoting on the page now, because we are able to promote every single day now, okay, I'm going to show you the earning report now. Before Amazon changed the changed the earnings. So you can see last year we actually sold for them. You see, last year when we really first started, it was just the beginning of the year. We didn't sell the whole last year. We had sold for them for $96,000. $96,000, and you would think the commission would be a lot, but with Amazon they was paying about 8%, like 6 to 8%, which is what wasn't so bad. But this year they ended up changing it around, and we sold, but we stopped the traffic. We really dropped the traffic. Although we still sold for about $90,000 for them, we would have sold for more, but we dropped the traffic because we see that they wasn't paying as much. So we went and did stuff like Share Sale. Share Sale, you can just jump on there and you can look for different program that you can actually affiliate with. Yeah, once you're inside of Share Sale, you can come here and look for Keder. And I can find many different companies that's sharing stuff about keto diet. Keto meals, you can see there's one here, Kiss My Keto. This is paying $54 EPC. They paying 10% to 15% per sale. You can see this one's paying 25% per sale. Keto AF, 25%, 20% per sale. Keto Craft. So now I have a variety of products, but the people that's gonna buy the products is the same people. That's why you need to focus on getting the people first. We talk about building the page, building the group, get the traffic from Facebook, build it, and now every single day now you have access to how many people actually posted in your group, how much traffic certain things are getting. You can see what they like. For example, this post that this person posted, this 5K challenge, I could see they got 4,000 people to see it, 200 people likes it. So I can come here and find stuff that are viral inside of my group. I will know exactly what people are clicking on and what gets them to buy. I hope this stuff was valuable to you. Let me know in the comment down below. Are you gonna take action? Was the stuff valuable? I have a training called The Long-Term Business where I break down that stuff in details. Join my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group called Cash Flow Strategist. That's where I teach you different things for free on how to make money online. If you love the strategy, you're gonna love all the other strategy that's in the group, right? We plan to come out with an academy that's gonna help you. So if you love this stuff, go ahead and click down below. Click on the link. Get inside of the group. Also check out my free training so that we can take it to the next level. So if you decide to do this, please let me know what niche that you in. Maybe I could do some research for you and see how we can take it to the next level. All right? See you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Bye.